Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. But before I share with you that niche, I just want to share with you my 3 print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is the Merch by Amazon Masterclass, Step-by-Step Beginner's Guide for Mastering Merch by Amazon. It's on sale right now for only $9.99. You get 16 lessons over an hour of content. I also have one for Redbubble as well. Same thing, step-by-step step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble, also $9.99. This one you get 20 lessons. And I also have one for Etsy as well. This is my latest one. Everything you need to know to set up your Etsy shop for success. Also $9.99. In this one you get 14 lessons. These courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, or Etsy. If we look at my credentials on Merch, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. We're going to see that I've done over 11,000 sales, made over $38,000 in royalties. If we go to Redbubble, over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000. My best month was in June, where I did 317. And then if we look at my all-time stats for Etsy, I think it's over here. Over the last 30 days, I've done $3,000 or $3,200 in revenue, 170 sales. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Now let's get into the content of the video. So before I share with you that trendy niche, I just want to share with you a niche that I would recommend that you avoid. And it's this one right here that says Sam I Am. So I've seen a lot of these shirts popping up, and they got really good BSRs like 157. Here are some other ones as well. This is a knockoff of Dr. Seuss. It's basically cross-niching Dr. Seuss with the St. Patrick's Day, using these green shirts and having everything in green eggs. So in my opinion, this is pretty risky. I'd recommend not getting into this niche. You might be able to get away with it and make a quick buck, but in the long term, I don't think it's good, and I think it's just too risky. So my advice would be to just stay away from this niche. But now let's get into the actual niche that I would recommend that you get into, and it is this one right here. And the phrase or the niche is ban the pitch clock. And what this phrase is referring to is in Major League Baseball, they just implemented a new rule where they have this pitch clock. You see right here, pitch clock, pitch clock. So this is a new rule, and it's a lot of baseball fans, like diehard baseball fans, are very against it. They don't want it. And since baseball season is starting, there's going to be people buying a lot of baseball shirts. And if we look at this shirt right here, we're going to see that it was just uploaded a couple days ago, and it's already selling. All right. Now the price is low, but still it shows that this niche, the niche has been validated. It's selling. And so this is the phrase right here, ban the pitch clock. If we go and take a look at test to see if this is trademarked, ban the pitch clock, hit enter, we're going to see there's nothing. Oh, and if I go back to Merch, we're going to see there's only 3 results. So, barely any competition. Now, one thing that you do want to know is that the pitch is actually trademarked. All right. So when you're typing this into Merch by Amazon, your bullet points, your title, your brand, you don't want to say ban the pitch clock. You want to do what this guy is doing right here, like ban the baseball pitch clock, or just when I uploaded my designs, I just said ban pitch clock. I just got rid of the. So that's how you can kind of get around it to avoid getting a rejection. But if we go to Etsy, we're going to see that ban the pitch clock shirt on Etsy. There's nothing. And this is such a brand new niche. So there's basically nothing on any of the other print on demand sites. So when we go to Redbubble, we're going to see nothing as well. And TeePublic, I don't even think anything popped up when I typed it in. So very little competition on all the other platforms. If we go to Creative Fabrica, you can get some good clip art that you can, add. So you can get a clip art like this, and you could put ban the pitch clock, so ban above, and then the pitch clock underneath. You can do maybe something like this. So if you're interested, I have an affiliate link for Creative Fabrica. It's in the description. You just go to my videos right here, scroll down, and where it says my favorite POD tools, you're going to see Creative Fabrica. It's an affiliate link, so if you do sign up, I do get a commission. They have a deal going on right now where it's like $59. You have to pay for the whole year, but you get access to all their content for a whole year. It breaks down only $4.99 a month. And that's basically going to be it for the video for today. I saw this niche yesterday, so I wanted to get a video up and quick, because usually niches get flooded pretty quickly. If you like this kind of content, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis, just talking about like merch by Amazon, print on demand, low competition niches, evergreen niches, niches that are trending, just basically niches or ideas on what to design for to get sales on merch by Amazon and the other print on demand platforms. If you're looking for some other ideas, I have this playlist right here that you can check out, give you some more ideas. And if you're struggling to get sales on merch, Redbubble, or Etsy, excuse me, you might want to check out these courses. They're only $10 on sale right now. So if you're interested, give them a try. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.